There's no doubting anymore that the AI revolution is here.
First confirmed artificially intelligent.
Robotics, the human mind, artificial intelligence.
As well as artificial intelligence. It's possible.
And over the next couple of years, I firmly believe that the world that you and I know is going to completely change because of this technology. This is a golden gold rush, blue ocean opportunity for a wealth change. You have the opportunity here to seize this moment and get rich with artificial intelligence. Now, with that being said, you don't need any experience. These are 5 of the top websites that I highly recommend you check out to get rich in the AI revolution. So make sure you move fast on all of these, especially the last website, because they're going to get saturated and really competitive. So Rank.ai is a website you've probably heard me talk about before, but it is such a powerhouse of a website, and it's honestly a secret tool that a lot of SEO agencies use to white label. So you can use this to start an SEO agency and profit a crap load of money. Here's how. Basically, they do everything that an SEO agency does for you. They'll actually write content, they optimize the content, they post it on your website for you, they add the SEO titles, the meta descriptions, they add internal linking, and they actually build backlinks for you too. So I'm going to take you behind the scenes of how Ranked actually works, because I actually used Ranked for my own website as well. So let me show you how this actually works. So they have this awesome dashboard back here where you can track all of your keywords, analytics, website traffic, the top pages that are driving the most amount of traffic, the top queries that you're getting pulled up for. And you can actually download this and share this as a report for your clients as well. They have this sweet reporting thing. This is for my website, so I don't actually need a report, but you can start from a template, or you can create your own blank report and just send this to clients on a monthly basis. They store all of your files, all of your blogs in a Google Drive folder, just like this, right? So these are all of the blog articles that they have written and published for me. And I actually gave them a list of keywords that I wanted them to write topics on. They've actually put in this submitted folder here, see, too. So you can see these are all the topics that I've given them to write blog articles on, and they just go down this list. So what you can do is you can ask your client to give you a list of keywords that you want to rank for as well. Give this to Rank.ai, and they will take care of everything for you. And so how you can actually get clients by doing this and outsourcing this SEO to Ranked AI is just start by using Upwork.com. Upwork is how I personally growth hacked my agency, and there's so much demand on here. You can just outsource the entire thing. You can see here that a lot of people are charging $20 an hour, $30 an hour. You can even charge monthly retainers and rates on here as well. And it's just a fantastic way, and you can outsource the whole thing through Ranked. Now, you could start an SEO agency, but this next idea and website is just so damn sneaky, and you're going to want to move fast on this before everyone figures this out. Now, Syllabi.io is this brand new AI website that lets you create a social media content strategy in minutes. So it actually shows you the keywords that your customers are searching for. It writes an entire script that you can read, or that your potential customers can read in a video. So they can create a script around the keywords, and there's an accountability aspect as well. And so what you can do here is be really sneaky with how you use this tool. So what you can do with Syllabi is you can sign up on a website like Fiverr.com, or even on Upwork as well. And you can see here some of these professionals are charging hundreds of dollars, if not over $1,000, $1,400 for developing social media content strategies for people. Well, you can use a tool like Syllabi to create that content strategy using AI. So here's an example of one. This profile is charging anywhere from $1,400 all the way up to $2,400 for a social media content strategy. And they're actually getting sales. 8 sales, 8 reviews. Well, that's just 8 reviews. She's getting more than those sales. You can charge a lot of money developing social media content strategies on a platform like Upwork. Now, these next two websites I'm going to share are absolutely going to blow you away. So by now, I'm sure you've heard everybody in the world talking about ChatGPT. And if you haven't signed up for it, it's free. It's the most powerful AI tool out there right now. Basically, you can ask it any sort of question and it gives you a complete answer for it, right? So I put, write me a digital marketing course lesson by lesson. It answers anything that you search for it to do. But here's how you can use ChatGPT to actually make money. So again, I love using platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, and a big part of this strategy is going to lean into that. So what you can do is look for something like YouTube SEO. And so you can see here that people are charging up, $30, $50 or more for YouTube SEO. And something even crazier is I've actually done this. I actually charge a lot of money. So you can see here, I actually charge $100 an hour to do YouTube SEO. And I've made over $7,000 on Upwork doing this. So basically all I'm doing here is going in, logging into people's YouTube channels, optimizing their headlines or their titles for the videos, optimizing the descriptions, and adding tags and backend optimizations for like linking to other videos and whatnot. But you can automate this entire process using artificial intelligence, using ChatGPT. You can ask it to write you a YouTube SEO friendly description for a video about any topic. And it automatically starts to write that description that you can just copy and paste into their freaking video descriptions. Now, a quick hack to get more jobs on Upwork, because if you don't have any reviews, you're brand new, it is hard to get started. What I did was kind of a review hack a little bit. So the more reviews that you get, the more likely that people are going to hire you. So what I'd highly recommend is get a friend, get a family member to hire you on Upwork. Just pay them, bite the bullet to get a couple reviews on there. This is going to drastically increase your likeliness to get more jobs because people are going to hire people that have existing reviews over brand new accounts. This next one I just found out about recently. It is absolutely mind-blowing. It's called Sonara.ai, Sonara or something like that. And what it does is it uses artificial intelligence to apply to jobs for you. This is absolutely wild. So no longer do you have to spend hours and hours and hours applying to your dream job. It literally does it for you. So I think how it works is you just upload your resume and what type of fields that you're looking for, and it just automatically, so you can target a brief questionnaire, helps you find jobs that are a best fit for you, uses AI to find the top jobs in the marketplace and matches you with those ones, and then it actually auto applies for you. So it sends job applications on your behalf so you don't have to worry about all of that. And it's just a great way to find other jobs too. I love all of these crazy use cases that are coming out for artificial intelligence. So if you're looking to get a higher paying job, because sometimes in order to get a job, it's a full-time job to get a job, right? All of that prospecting and whatnot. So this is a tool that's drastically going to help you get that job of your dreams that you deserve to get paid for. Now, if you've ever been interested in affiliate marketing, here's how you can use AI to automate the entire process and build up passive income. So the next strategy is actually Syllabi.io again, but I'm going to show you how you can use it to make affiliate marketing revenue and passive income. So you can use this tool to generate content ideas and generate scripts for anything out there. It's actually pretty incredible. So what I want to do is, if you can use this for any software or anything like that, we're going to run with a quick example here. So say you want to be an affiliate for Jasper. Jasper is this amazing AI tool. It writes content. It writes basically anything that you want it to do. And they have an amazing affiliate recurring commission here, 30% recurring commission for life. And as you can see here, I'm actually making a pretty good amount of money as an affiliate for Jasper. So I personally do this. I know this works. I'm not just spewing bullshit at you. I actually am an affiliate for this website, and all of these strategies I've actually tested. So what you can do is, back here in Syllabi, you can search for anything that you want, right? So we could search for Jasper AI audience. You could just type someone in, someone business owners, right? Get ideas. And what it's going to do is it's going to take a second here, and it's going to show you questions that people are actually searching for online related to Jasper AI. And so you could find some of these that are pretty good. You know, is Jasper AI worth it? How much is Jasper AI? How to write an article with Jasper AI, and let's roll with that example. So how to write an article with Jasper AI. All I need to do is add this to my content calendar here, and it's going to take me to the backend script generator. So from here, all I need to do is click on AI outline, and just like magic, it creates me an outline of what the video is going to be about. Now you can totally customize this if you want to remove a point, if you want to, you know, adjust it and add your own 2 cents. But when you're happy with the outline, then you just come down to this section, particularly under video script, and then click on AI write. And just like magic again, with the power of artificial intelligence, it actually scripts you a video that you can read line by line. It shows you what the B-roll should be up as well. Video begins with a close-up of a person's hands typing on a laptop. It's such a powerful tool. But you can create this video, repeat this script line by line, and then using a tool like stan.store, which is a link in bio tool, or you can just directly link it in your social media profiles. You can link to your affiliate website that you sign up for. So you can do this over and over and over again. Sign up as an affiliate for a particular website, use syllabi to generate scripts on all of the questions that people are searching for, post those videos across your TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels, drive all of that traffic to your affiliate link, and you're gonna make passive affiliate revenue. I actually have a full course on this if you'd like to learn more about how I do affiliate marketing with this strategy as well, which you can find in the description of this video. Now, if you're looking for 5 more ways to make passive income that's completely recession-proof, as a heads up, there's a recession coming, click on this video right here. You're not gonna believe these 5 websites exist.